Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this kit that I got from Madam Glam. They asked me to try it out and they sent me a lamp, a curing lamp for the colors because this is gel polish, and a base coat, top coat, and 3 colors that they let me choose myself. So these are the polishes. This is, I chose white and this coral color called Kiss on the Cheek. And this pink one called Perfect Pink. And we have the base coat and the top coat. Okay. And this is the little curing lamp. So let's take it out. Here's the charging cord and the lamp. It has 6 lights underneath to cure the nails. So the lamp is plugged in, and one press is for 45 seconds, another one's for 60, and then the third one will turn it off. All right. I'm giving my natural nails a little bit of a break right now, so I'm going to try this polish out on these practice sticks. I have a couple of designs in mind that I want to try with them. And I'd like to see how the polish performs and dries and how it looks when it's all done. So I'm going to start off with the base coat. I wish these bottles were at least a little bit different because they're identical. I have to look closely to see which one is base coat and which one is top coat. But that's a minor thing. Maybe I'll put a color on top of one of them so that I can tell the difference. But for right now, let's put the base coat on. It's nice and smooth. It doesn't have a really strong smell either, which is good. See if I can fit all 4 of these in the lamp. Save a little time. Okay, that's the base coat. I'll sit it over here so I won't mistakenly pick it up for the top coat. And turn this lamp on. Okay, the lamp is off. So let's try the white first. I'd like to see if this white goes on easily and without any streaks. Because sometimes white or black polish will streak and you have to put another coat. Or sometimes the white can be kind of transparent. But not this one. It looks great. Okay. It's nice. Okay, there's the white. I'll put that under here. I'm only carrying these for 45 seconds right now because I'm not completely done with them. This is just like the basics. When I put the top coat on, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Just to make sure that it's all the way dry. This is good. It's very smooth. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. Okay, now I want to see what Kiss on the Cheek looks like. This beautiful orangey coral type of color. Let's see. Oh, wow. That is pretty. Very bright. Wow. It covers in one coat too. That's good. Let's cure that one. Okay, there it is. Nice and orange. And now I want to try Perfect Pink. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that's a pretty pink. Okay, there's the pink one, cured. They're slightly tacky, but that's okay because I'm not done with them yet. Now for the white ones, I'd like to decorate them with the colors. So let's try, I'll just do some dots on this white one with the orange. See how that looks. Actually, so I'm using this tiny brush to put some dots on here just to see how it looks. Oh, that's cute. Let's see. Okay. So here's the white with the orange dots. I'll put that over here. This orange is actually a neon type color. Very bright and vivid. Okay. Now I'll use the pink and do a pink design on this white nail. I'm attempting to make some flowers on this one. So we'll see how this works out. I guess that's okay. It's not perfect, but I'm just practicing right now. Let me try another one. Okay. It's white with the pink attempt at flowers. Let me cure that. And now I'm putting white dots on the orange one. So let's see how that turns out. Okay, this is the orange with the white dots and the white with the orange dots. That's kind of cute, actually. A nice summer design. Okay, so for the pink, I'll put some let's see what we'll do with the pink. Let's just try some random design. Just to see how it looks. Okay, there's the pink with a little random design that I put on there. That's cute. Okay, so now I'll cure all of these and then I'm going to top coat them. Okay, so now I get to try out the top coat. Let's see how this all finishes up. Let's see how it goes on. It's nice and smooth, which it appears to be. Okay, there's one. And then when I'm done top coating, I will cure these for 60 seconds this time, just to make sure it's all dry and sealed and hardened. The top coat doesn't have a strong smell either, which is great. And I like that they give you big bottles. Sometimes gel polish comes in tiny little bottles, but Madam Glam gives you nice big bottles, which is great. Okay, so I'll cure that for 60 seconds this time. This top coat has what's called an inhibition layer, which means for it to be fully dried and cured, you have to wipe this top sticky layer off with some alcohol after you cure it. So that's what I'm doing now. It feels sticky at first, but then as soon as you wipe it with the alcohol, it's nice and hard. And it's not coming off on the cotton. Okay. So there we are. The 3 colors that I chose from Madam Glam. And my attempt at a little decoration. I really like this polish though. It is very good quality. And I know that I'll enjoy using it when I decide to do my nails again. And I'd like to thank Madam Glam for sending it to me so I can try it out. This is great. And I do have a discount code in the description if you'd like to try out Madam Glam for yourself. Save you some money. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.